Actually, ma'am, number one, ang hinahanap talaga ng kliyente or customer sa hotel. Number one, dapat ang empleyado ay customer service oriented. Yes. So, isa yan po. Of course, the amenities. That's why we look for a hotel to stay convenient. So, convenient tayo, one-stop shop, yan po. Kaya po ngayon, meron tayo mga hotel ngayon. Minsan, inside the hotel, may mga restaurants na po, may mga malls. So, yan po yung ano natin.
Parang nagiging attractive.
Yes. Additional attractions, meron na rin po ngayon. Marami na talaga yung...
And right now, kumusta itong hotel kung saan connected ka ngayon?
Happy naman po so far. Happy. Actually,
anong difference na sa ibang hotel?
well, are different. Aside from being in one of the chain hotels in the Philippines, isa po kami sa originate na chain. We actually give or provided a special competitive rates po talaga that can afford kahit sino. And the destination itself, if you would like to go to Boracay, we have Cebu, Davao, here in Makati, so we have a lot of properties ng Crown Regency.
Okay, sige. Invite mo yung mga future visitors natin or na madalas magpunta ng iba-ibang mga lugar.
Sige po. Yes, I would like to invite everybody to please visit our website, www.crownregency.com. And then, kung meron po kayong reservations, you can call 0918-85022. And then, I'd like to inform everybody that Skywalk Adventure in Crown Regency Hotels and Towers in Cebu City is now open. Yan. So, we have 1,400 net, includes buffet and the Skywalk Adventure. Sa Cebu po yan. Thank you po.
Ano yun? Can you elaborate that Skywalk Adventure?
Actually, ma'am, yung Skywalk Adventure, this is well known. Sabi nga nila, if you go to Cebu, you wouldn't be complete without trying it. Kasi the Crown Regency Hotels and Towers Cebu is one of the tallest building in Cebu. So we have that skywalk that you actually walk from the 39th floor. Yan. So, meron po kami promo, 650, and then pag gusto nyo po with full board meals, 1,400 net per person with Skywalk Adventure. So, tawag lang po kayo or email.
Yan po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.
At ako naman po si Aida Gonzalez, and we are your hosts here on Tagumpay It's All Good.
Dito sa channel ito, we bring you real stories, inspiring journeys, and good vibes na siguradong magpapalakas ng inyong umaga.
Kaya naman, don't miss out. Follow and like us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Tagumpay It's All Good.
At syempre, share nyo na rin sa inyong pamilya, barkada at kapitbahay.
Let's spread good news, good vibes, and God's goodness. Dahil sa Tagumpay, it's all good!